Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose, and I am here to give you guys the best jobs in the world, and they're factual. And this one is no, you don't have to have any type of experience at all to apply to this job or get hired by this job. Of course, this is a not an entry level. This is a no experience necessary needed job. So like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let's get into this video. Now, this company that I have, this one company, it is called HS Financial Group, LLC. It's based out in Cleveland, Ohio. It's a remote position. And pay is $19.41 per hour. It's a full-time job position. And the job role for this company will be customer service representative. Now, the benefits for this job is dental insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, life insurance, vision insurance, work from home. Now, the salary, like I stated before, is $19.41 per hour, which includes $4.60 per hour of health and welfare benefit up to 40 hours a week. Now, the start date of this job would be October the 10th, 2022, or October the 17th, 2022. And this is a no experience necessary job right here. It says it right here, black and white. It says no experience is necessary, you guys. We have an extensive training program in place so that new employees have the opportunity to be successful. If you love to communicate with people and are great at building relationships and are looking to work from the convenience of your home, then HS Financial Group LLC is for you. We highly encourage individuals with call center, retail, restaurant, and other customer service experience to apply. This is a great opportunity to join our HS Financial Group LLC HSF family. We have an immediate need to fill several customer service representatives to work remotely may change in the future. You will be responsible for assisting customers who call in and asking questions about their student loans. We are looking for individuals who are enthusiastic, coachable, professional, ethical, and flexible. To be successful in this position, you must love interacting with the customers and also know how to use a combination of phone and email skills to communicate effectively. Our management team is in place to motivate, encourage, and support you to become the best customer service representative you can be. HS Financial Group LLC offers competitive base salaries and benefits. HSF acknowledges our staff as our most important asset, treating employees fairly and fostering a family-oriented feel. Come grow with us. Position description, this is it right here. HS Financial Group is seeking motivated customer service representatives who live in the Cleveland, Ohio area. Bilingual speaking, Spanish speaking agents are needed. Candidates selected will be assisting customers in answering their student loan questions while adhering to all federal, state, and local laws and regulations as well as company policies and procedures. While this is a work from home position at this time, you will likely be required to the work from home, work from the office in the future. You will be provided a computer, monitor, and headset to use at home. You must have a stable internet connection and a location free from distractions during working hours. Wi-Fi is not permitted. Must be able to work during the following hours of operations: Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. through 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, off peak hours. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. midnight Eastern Standard Time. Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, peak hours. Peak periods: January the 1st through March the 14th, July the 15th through August the 13th, and October the 1st to October the 7th. Essential functions, tasks, and responsibilities. The candidate will learn four different systems. Representatives will be primarily taking inbound calls and listening to the customer in where they are in the life of the loan. Respond to emails and chats, and they have a plethora of other things for this company, you guys. It's like that about this company. Information gathered determines how to best guide the customer in assisting them to resolve their problem. You will work with the student loan borrower, education of department, office, office of inspector general, colleges, servicers, and collection agencies. Independently solve customer issues escalating to supervisor any situation outside the employer's control. Establish professional relationships with internal and external customers. Provide customer services that exceeds customers' expectations. Treat all internal and external customers and team members with dignity and respect. Establish and maintain a professional relationship with team members and department contacts. You must be ready to work at your desk at your assigned time. Non-essential functions and tasks and responsibilities perform other related duties as assigned. And the supervisor will be as assigned. It will assign you a supervisor. And success factors, job competencies is good oral and written communication skills. Understand and carry out oral and written instructions. Problem resolution, problem resolution skills. Attention to detail. Proper telephone etiquette. Principles and practices of customer service. Departmental policies and procedures. Minimal qualifications, high school diploma or previous customer service experience. Ability to successfully complete and pass the training program. Clean background check for security clearance check. Must not have any defaulted student loans. Must be a U.S. citizen. Previous experience working and entering information into systems. The physical demands of this job goes as the physical demands described. Here are represented of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of this job. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform essential functions. While performing the duties of this job, the employee this is occasionally required to walk, sit, use hands to finger, handle or feel objects, tools or controls, reach with hands and arms, balance, stoop, talk or hear. An employee must occasionally lift and or move up to 15 pounds. Specific vision abilities required by this job includes close vision, distance vision, color vision, peripheral vision, depth perception, and the ability to adjust focus. Okay? And the classification of this job is SCA, non-exempt, and administrative support. And the benefits of this company is, once again, medical, dental, vision, life insurance, short-term and long-term disability, vacation, sick time, 11 paid holidays, as well as health and welfare pay, equivalent to $4.60 for every hour paid, not to exceed 40 hours in a work week. And if you are requiring a reasonable accommodation, in applying through this website, please contact our recruitment department at 440-447-6547 and extension 109. And this is it, you guys. This job is ongoing. Needed to fill this role, and they posted it one day ago. So you guys jump on it. This company is once again is called HS Financial Group LLC, and the job role would be a customer service representative. And the start date for this company for this job for you to begin work after you get hired is October the 10th or October the 17th. Okay, and this location is within Ohio, and they're looking for bilingual speakers as well. So yes, this is the shift that they will present to you, and they show you when the peak hours are and what shifts they have available. Okay, that's all for this video, you guys. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you haven't joined the Diamond Squad, go ahead and join the Diamond Squad. Let's get it, you guys. Get a piece of dope work pie. Opportunities knocking. Go ahead and open those doors and step right on into those great positive doors, you guys, that this platform has to offer, with all this factual, resourceful, career information for you to apply. Go ahead and simply apply. You guys can get hired on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Talk to you guys later.